Welcome to Raider Tech Bite, your quick taste of tech inspiration with Katie Roth. Today's Tech Bite, auto summary with NotebookLM. Sometimes we have long articles, multiple resources that we just need a quick summary. Also, we could generate discussion questions for class. To find NotebookLM in your Google Drive, you're going to go to the apps. Scroll down until you find NotebookLM. In here, we can create a new notebook. We will drop our resources. Then, down here in the prompt box, type key takeaways. This will give you an auto summary of the article or whatever resources you've put in there. You can even ask for 3 discussion questions. This will provide you with 3 discussion questions that you can use to further the conversation in your classroom. That's your Raider Tech Bite for today. Small taste, big impact. Want help trying it out? Scan the QR code or email me to book time before or after school. I can't wait to see what you create.